Everyone, welcome to next class. Okay, welcome to SST class. So, students, take out your next book SST, and today we are going to continue that chapter Plateaus of India. Okay, chapter 4 Plateaus of India. So, take out fast, take out your book. I hope you all students have take out your book. Okay. So class, in previous video I have discussed this chapter plateau and peninsular plateau. Okay, so what is a plateau? A raised area with steep slopes and flat top is called a plateau. So what is the meaning of steep, class? Like a slope. Okay, like a slope. Okay, steep of a slope and like a falling slope. Okay, so class, a raised area with steep slopes and flat top is called a plateau. Okay, so plateau like a tableland, like a structure. Okay, and peninsular plateau like a which is covered by water by the three sides. Okay, so class, this topic I have covered in previous video. So class, in previous video I have told you the Narmada river divides the plateau in the two parts. The northern part is known as Central Highlands and the southern part is known as Deccan Plateau. Okay, so what is the Central Highlands? So let's discuss is this topic is Central Highlands. Okay, so the Central Highlands comprise two plateaus, the Malwa Plateau in the west and the Chota Nagpur Plateau in the east. Okay, the rivers Chambal, Betwa and Son Ognit in the Central Highlands, they flow northwards to join the Ganga and the Yamuna. The Narmada and Tapti rivers originate from the Vindhyas and flow westwards into the Arabian Sea. Class, what is the meaning of plateau of Hindi? So plateau means pathar. Okay, you mean class, peninsular plateau means in Hindi लाइक जो ज़मीन जो तीन दिशाओं से जो ज़मीन से जो घिरा हुआ जो हिस्सा होता है, ओके, उसे जो बोला जाए उसे क्या बोला जाता है? उसे बोला जाता है पेनिनसुलर प्लेटो. ओके क्लास, हैव अ लुक हियर, लुक एट दिस मैप. हियर इज मालवा प्लेटो, हियर इज डेक्कन प्लेटो एंड हियर इज प्लेटो. ओके, डेक्कन प्लेटो. ओके, हियर इज ईस्टर्न घाट, हियर इज लुक एट हियर ईस्टर्न कोस्टल प्लेन. ओके, सो Arabian Sea, Bay of Bengal, okay, Chota Nagpur Plateau here. Okay class, so these are here like this. Okay, here is Deccan Plateau. So here is this one, this so class, this part is called the Peninsular Plateau. Okay, here is Peninsular Plateau. In the here is in this part called is Peninsular Plateau. And here is class Deccan Plateau. Okay, here is Deccan Plateau. You mean class, a land mass which is covered by water by the three side. Okay, you mean class, the northern part is known as the Central Highlands and the southern part is known as Deccan Plateau. Okay, northern part is known as, northern part को हम क्या बोलेंगे? Central Highlands, and southern जो part होता है उसको हम क्या कहते हैं? Deccan Plateau. Okay, एंड क्लास, सेंट्रल हाईलैंड्स कंप्राइज करता है टू प्लेट्यूज को, द मालवा प्लेट्यूज इन द वेस्ट एंड द छोटा नागपुर प्लेट्यू इन द ईस्ट. लुक एट दिस मैप क्लास, मालवा प्लेट्यू इज हियर. ओके, मालवा प्लेट्यू, ओके, इन द वेस्ट एंड छोटा नागपुर प्लेट्यू इज द वेस्ट साइड. ओके, sorry, छोटा नागपुर प्लेट्यू in the east side and Malwa plateau in the west side. Okay, so the rivers Chambal, Betwa and Son originate in the Central Highlands. They flow northwards to join the Ganga and the Yamuna. The Narmada and Tapti rivers originate from the Vindhyas and flow westward into the Arabian Sea. Okay class, look at here, all rivers here flowing. Okay, Nilgiri hills. Okay, now here is western coastal plains and Godavari, Narmada, Tapti. Okay, and Mahanadi. Okay, so this is the Malwa Plateau class. Here is Malwa Plateau, and the Malwa Plateau is bounded by the Aravalli Hills in the northwest and the Vindhyas in the south. The soil in this region is black and is very fertile. Okay, the soil in this in this region is black. Okay, soil means mitti. Okay, soil in this region is black and is very fertile. The main crops grown in the plateau are cotton, wheat and oil seeds. ओके जो मेन जो यहाँ के जो मेन क्रॉप्स होते हैं वो कौन कौन से होते हैं? कॉटन, वीट एंड ऑयल सीड्स. ओके, एंड समर्स are extremely hot, okay, whereas winters are extremely cold. And Ujjain is the major city of this region. Ujjain is the major city of this region. All right, now next topic is Chota Nagpur Plateau. The Chota Nagpur Plateau is in the eastern region of India and covers a large part of Jharkhand. Okay, the Chota Nagpur Plateau is in the eastern region of India and covers the large part of Jharkhand and parts of Odisha, West Bengal, Bihar, okay, and Chhattisgarh. Chota Nagpur Plateau is a storehouse of minerals. Okay, this region is rich in minerals such as coal, manganese, bauxite and mica. Some of the coal mining centers are Jharia, Bokaro and Raniganj. Okay, so class, where is this map? Look at this map. Where is the Chota Nagpur Plateau? Here. Okay, this part is called Chota Nagpur Plateau. Come to the next point, class. Deccan Plateau. Deccan Plateau is also called the Great Peninsular Plateau. Okay, Great Peninsular Plateau means Deccan Plateau. Okay, Deccan Plateau is also called the Great Peninsular Plateau. It covers the largest part of the Peninsular Plateau. The height of this plateau ranges from 100 meter in the north and to 1000 meter in the south. Okay, you mean 100 meter in the north and 1000 meter in the south. Okay, it stretches from the Satpura range in the north to the southern tip of India. Okay, it is bounded by the Western Ghats and the Eastern Ghats which meet at the Nilgiri Hills. The Western Ghats include the Sadri, Nilgiri, Annamalai and Cardamom Hills. Major rivers of the peninsular India such as the Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna and Kaveri originate in the Western Ghats and flow towards the east. Okay, the Eastern Ghats are the Eastern Ghats are comparatively lower and are cut by the rivers coming from the Western Ghats. These rivers cut valleys through Eastern Ghats to fall into the Bay of Bengal. Okay, the Godavari is the longest river of the Deccan Plateau. Now class, you have to mark this line. The Godavari is the longest river of the Deccan Plateau. Okay, look at this map, class. Here Malwa Plateau. This part is Malwa Plateau. Here is Chota Nagpur Plateau. Now here is Deccan Plateau. Malwa Plateau, Chota Nagpur Plateau and Deccan Plateau. Okay. Here class, look at this picture. Have a look at this picture. The Deccan Trap. Okay. Mountains pass of the Western Ghats. Okay. The northwestern part of the Deccan Plateau is of volcanic origin. These areas are made up of igneous rocks and are also known as Deccan Traps. Now come to the next point, class. Life in the Peninsular Plateau. Okay, this plateau covers a number of South Indian states. The region is famous for its unique lifestyle and rich culture. Now next class, the variation of the Peninsular Plateau can be divided into 4 regional divisions. Okay, the western part. Okay, now the northeastern part, the central part, the southern part. Okay, first is northwestern part, second is northeastern part, third central part and fourth southern part. And class, the northwestern part, the soil and rocks in this region are of volcanic origin. Maharashtra is the main state of this region. Okay, Maharashtra is the main state in this region. Food, the people of this region mostly eat rice, fish, pulses and vegetables. Okay, which is the food? Rice, fish, pulses and vegetable. Dress, traditional people in Maharashtra wear dhoti, shirt and red turban. Okay, occupation, most of the people in this region are engaged in the farming. They mostly grow crops like cotton, sugarcane and ground nuts. Festivals, Ganesh Chaturthi is the main festival of this region. People here are very fond of music and drama. Folk folklore in Maharashtra is known as tamasha. Okay, look at here, Ganesh Chaturthi. Okay, so I hope you all students have understood today topic. Okay, and the northern eastern part and the central part, the southern part, we will discuss new uh, new class. Okay, so I hope you all students have understood this chapter. Thank you and have a nice day.